Hello, my dear students, and welcome back. I know your exams are just around the corner, and you're all studying so hard. But hey, don't you worry, because today I'm going to let you in on a little secret. A magic trick that will make your math paper feel like child's play. Are you ready? Just look at all these shells on the beach. Imagine your teacher asked you to count them. You'd start 1, 2, 3. Wait, did I count that one already? Ugh, it gets so confusing and would take the whole day, wouldn't it? So, what do you think? I mean, there has to be a better way, right? A faster way? A smarter way to count all these things without getting confused? Well, of course there is. And today, I'm going to share that secret with you. And that secret, my friends, is all about the magic of the number 10. Think of it as your new counting superpower. Once you understand this simple little trick, believe me, counting big numbers will be a piece of cake for you. So what is this superpower? Well, it's called grouping. It's just a simple idea of putting things together in neat little bundles or groups to make counting them super fast. And for us, our magic number for making these groups is always going to be 10. Just remember that, okay? And look at this. This shows the magic perfectly. All those messy, scattered shells are now in these beautiful necklaces. And guess what? Each necklace has exactly 10 shells. Now, how easy is it to count? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Just like that. So much faster, isn't it? You know, this magic of grouping by 10, it isn't just for shells on a beach. You'll start seeing it everywhere, from your classroom all the way to the market. Come on, let's go to a fruit shop and see the superpower in action. So here's our friend Manoj helping his father at their fruit shop. And look how smart he is with the Chicos. He puts them in trays of 10. That way he never loses count and can quickly tell his customers exactly how many he has. Very smart, no? Okay, now listen up. This is super important. This is exactly the kind of question you might see in your exam. Let's say you're Manoj, and you have 43 Chicos. How would you arrange them in trays of 10? Just think about it for a second. It's really simple. First, you just see how many full trays of 10 you can make. With 43, you can fill up 4 full trays, right? That's 40 Chicos. And then, well, how many are left over? 3 loose Chicos. So the answer is 4 trays of 10 and 3 loose ones. See? You solved it. Now, in your maths book, they give special names to these groups of 10 and the loose ones that are left over. Don't worry, it's not complicated. It's actually like a secret code that all the math geniuses use, and you're about to learn it. Just look at this table. It makes it so clear. If you have 25 Chicos, you have 2 groups of 10, right? So we say it has 2 10s. And the 5 loose Chicos, we call those 5 1s. Do you see the pattern here? For 43 Chicos, it's 4 10s and 3 1s. For 58, it's 5 10s and 8 1s. The groups are 10s, and the loose ones are 1s. So here's the main thing to remember. A number like 43, it's not just 43. It's a secret code. The first number, the 4, tells you how many 10s you have. And the second number, the 3, tells you how many 1s. Simple. You've just cracked the code of place value. Okay, now that you know this secret code, you can use it to win a very important game. I call it Who is the Biggest? This is something you're definitely going to need for your exams and for your whole life. Let's learn how to win every single time. Let's take an example, okay? Imagine one fruit basket has 43 oranges, and another one has 34. Which basket has more? To figure this out, we're going to use our new superpower. 43 has 4 10s and 3 1s. 34 has 3 10s and 4 1s. Now, here is the golden rule. You have to remember this, okay? To find the bigger number, you always look at the tens place first. That's the most important one. Whichever number has the bigger digit in the tens place, that number is the winner. So, back to our example. 43 has 4 10s. 34 has 3 10s. Well, 4 is bigger than 3, isn't it? So, 43 is bigger than 34. It doesn't even matter what's in the ones place. The bigger 10 always wins. And just like that, you solved it. Well done. Okay, let's do one more super quick. What about 27 oranges versus 72 oranges? This time, which one is less? Which one is smaller? Remember the hint? Look at the tens. 27 has 2 tens, 72 has 7 tens. Of course, 2 is smaller than 7, so 27 is less than 72. You are getting so good at this. Wow, you have all worked so hard. I think it's time for a little bit of fun. Let's play a quick revision game with numbers, just to make sure you remember everything for your exams. Ready? Okay, here's your first riddle. Who am I? I am the largest, the biggest possible two-digit number you can think of. What's the biggest digit you can put in the tens place and the biggest one in the ones place? And the answer is 99, of course. 9 tens and 9 ones. You just can't get any bigger than that with 2 digits. Brilliant. All right, next one. Who am I? This time, I am the smallest two-digit number. Think carefully now. What is the smallest you can have in the tens place and still call it a two-digit number? That's it. It's 10. 1, 10, and 0 ones. Fantastic. You are on a roll. Okay, and for my final challenge, for all my champions out there, what is the largest two-digit number that has a 2 in the ones place? Okay, think. We want the largest number, so what's the biggest digit we can put in the tens place? It's a 9, which makes the number 92. Well done. You guys have done so wonderfully today. You are all absolute math superstars. Just remember that magic trick we learned, okay? Always think in groups of tens. It makes everything, counting, comparing, so much easier. I wish you all the very, very best for your exams. Study hard, and I'll see you in our next explainer. Bye-bye.